Indian Constitution, all laws are written, but what bind these laws? Okay, so preamble is there, which is the heart and soul of our Indian Constitution. Basically, preamble sets out the a whole summary of our Constitution, that what our Constitution is exactly about. So our Constitution is exactly about the equality, fraternity, and bringing justice. Basically, bringing justice to each and every one out in the nation. Okay, so when we talk about the preamble is the heart and soul of the Constitution. The words, the terms which are there in the preamble is equality, fraternity, social justice, liberty, then sovereignty, so etc. Now, one by one, we'll talk about these terms in detail, that what these terms exactly mean now to us. We talk about the very first term, it is the sovereign, meaning that India is not bound to any other nation. India is free to make its own laws. India is free to rule itself. India is not bound to any other nation. Our second most important valuable term mentioned in the preamble is the socialist. Socialist meaning that India will try to, reduce the inequality from the country, from the state. India will work for the welfare and for the betterment of our citizens. India will look after the urban and rural areas of our country. Third most important term mentioned in the preamble is secular. Secular means India is a secular country. It basically means that India does not follow any particular type of religion. Indian people, the people of the India are free to follow and practice any type of religion, to any type of practice. They are not bound. Indian people are not bound to any one type of religion. Fourth most important term is the democratic. The word democratic means that we, the people of the India, are the ultimate source of the power. The citizens of the India are free to choose their own elected representatives. They are free to choose that who will be the person who will represent the people of India. Okay, and also the people are free to, make their choices, to make the will, because the country India is a democratic country, and it is ruled by the people and for the people, for the betterment of the people. The fifth most important term in the preamble comes the republic. Here, republic means that the president is the ultimate head of the state. Not any queen, not any king is the head. Monarchy is not there, but a constitutional head is there, that is president. So, as far as I know, that in preamble, the promises of giving justice to each and every people, each and every person of India. The justice include that social justice, economic justice, and political justice. Social justice include that you are free to live in any part of the India. You are free to choose your own houses. Economic justice means that India makes sure that you have, minimum bare amount of expenses with yourself, so that you can live a life full of dignity. Economic political justice means that you are free to vote once you are above the 18 years of age. So our sixth term is the liberty. Liberty means freedom to think, freedom to express, freedom to follow any belief, any religion, feeling a freedom to put forth your points in front of everybody. Next term is fraternity. Fraternity means the feeling of the brotherhood, equal mutual respect towards each other, listening to each and every one, put forthing your points, but also listen to the points that what other wants to say. We live in a peaceful country, so that is what the fraternity is trying to say to us. So basically, preamble is the introduction of our Indian Constitution, and it is not only the introduction, rather it tells that how the India is, then how the India is supposed to be governed, how India is supposed to, to take care of the citizens of India. So how we, the people of India, are supposed to live in a peaceful country in India, and let's grow our nation India together.